I like good old-fashioned country music, something with a beat. I like a lean, mean woman with high heels on her feet. I like the crackle of a bonfire under a big old mountain sky. I like my lines like I like my women. Ooh, double wide. I like the Betsy Ross on her bed frame, the Jesus on her dash. But I could never love her, 'cause I'm the man in black. Put a bullet through that woman, yes, I hate to admit, but I play country music, so I'm big and rich. I lost my only lover, now there's nothing left to lose. I just sing these Folsom Prison and cocaine blues. That old ring of fire just to burn me straight to ash. I play country music, but I ain't no Johnny Cash.